So what's good, guys? Today we ordered some broiler chicks, 30 heads 30 heads only, so we can maximize their growth. Not last time I ordered 40 heads, 43. My estimate was wrong, so when they get to 1 kilogram or 1/4, they're overcrowded in the brooder. So now let's try this 30 heads if we can grow them. We grow them to their fullest, maximize their growth. And it's cold outside, so I put 15 watts only light bulb, so they can have some heat, but it's not just enough. So I think 25 watts will do, but this is only for 3 days to a week. And we start turning off the light. We only turn the light on during feeding. So that's it.